Too Crazy AI brings you curated AI industry news for today. OpenAI and Broadcom announced 10-gigawatt AI chip collaboration, requiring power equivalent to 8 million households. Google adds $9 billion South Carolina investment, with Alphabet's total AI spending reaching $85 billion this year. Let's dive into today's developments. Major earthquake in the AI chip market. OpenAI just announced an unprecedented strategic partnership with chip giant Broadcom to develop 10-gigawatt scale custom AI accelerators. How massive is this project? The power requirement equals that of 8 million American households. Deployment begins in the second half of 2026 and completes by 2029. Market reaction was extremely bullish. Broadcom stock surged 12% in a single day, adding over $150 billion in market value. OpenAI handles chip design, while Broadcom manages manufacturing and deployment. This marks OpenAI's pivotal move toward vertical integration, reducing dependency on NVIDIA, and could fundamentally reshape the AI chip market landscape. Google strikes again. Just announced an additional $9 billion investment in South Carolina for data center and AI infrastructure expansion in 2026. This follows a previous $2 billion commitment in the state. Even more staggering, parent company Alphabet plans to spend a total of $85 billion on AI projects this year. These astronomical figures fully demonstrate AI development's massive demand for computing infrastructure. Since 2007, Google's cumulative investment in South Carolina has exceeded $4.5 billion, generating $6.4 billion in economic activity in 2024. South Carolina is becoming a core hub for American AI infrastructure. The open source community receives a bombshell. Ant Group released Ring-1T through Inclusion AI, a trillion-parameter reasoning model. How powerful is it? On the authoritative AIME25 mathematics benchmark, it scores 92.6, surpassing Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro and all known open-source models, only slightly below the proprietary GPT-5 at 94.6. Coding performance is even more impressive, with a CodeForces score of 94.69, claimed to exceed GPT-5. Technically, it uses the Ling 2.0 mixture of experts architecture. While total parameters reach 1 trillion, it requires only 50 billion active parameters, pre-trained on 20 trillion tokens. This marks a major breakthrough for Chinese AI companies in open-source large models. MI AI team's major release. MI Image 1, Microsoft's first fully in-house developed image generation model, officially launched on October 13th. This marks Microsoft's crucial step in reducing OpenAI dependency and building autonomous AI capabilities. What makes MI Image 1 special? It excels at photorealistic quality, particularly handling complex lighting effects like reflections and landscapes. Developed in collaboration with creative professionals, it avoids the generic, repetitive outputs common in other AI image generators. It entered the LM Arena leaderboard top 10 on launch day. Will soon be integrated into Copilot and Bing Image Creator. Major news in AI education. Former OpenAI co-founder and Tesla AI director Andrej Karpathy has open-sourced the nanochat project. This isn't a simple demo, but a complete, from-scratch ChatGPT clone training and inference pipeline. Using just 8,000 lines of clean code, it covers the entire process from tokenization, pre-training, fine-tuning, reinforcement learning to web interface. Most exciting is the training cost. Just $100 and 4 hours, 8 H100 GPUs gets you a basic chatbot. $300 exceeds GPT-2. $1,000 solves simple coding problems. This project will become the core of Karpathy's LLM 101 undergraduate course at Eureka Labs, truly democratizing AI education. Here's today's craziest question. AI giants are burning massive cash on infrastructure. OpenAI with 10-gigawatt chips, Google with $9 billion data centers. How long before this AI arms race produces a clear winner? 1 year? 3 years? Or is this just the opening act? What's your take? See you in the comments. Too Crazy AI, continuing the craziness tomorrow.